Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna start vlogging now, and then I'm at the errands right now because I'm gonna pick up all my stuff because I'm gonna be moving in into my apartment. Yes, that's the video for today. I'm gonna move in into my apartment, and yeah, let's get all our stuff and get ready. And then we slept there last night, and we checked it out, and then it was fine. Like, it was pretty nice, and it's cheap. It's not that expensive. So yeah, we're gonna go there and get ready, get all my stuff, and then we're gonna borrow the car, and then we're gonna put all the stuff in the apartment. So yeah, and then the first month is gonna mommy Joe, mommy Et is gonna pay for like the first month. So thank you Ate Et, thank you the Ahern family for paying for the whole month, for the whole 1 month. And then yeah, so yeah guys, let's start packing up and then let's go. By the way guys, this is my first vlog, so you should hit the subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification for like video soon. So yeah guys, so there's all the stuff, like all my stuff there is there, and then we're gonna get ready because we're gonna use the car.
Yo,
and Kuya David's gonna drive.
We're gonna go to the substance.
I'm just
This
the
guy-
helper.
Yeah, he's gonna help us.
Huh?
So
I was joking.
We're gonna say
so
goodbye.
yeah, we're using the car, and then we're gonna bring it back later, and we're gonna take the bike, and he's still gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive in the back because I don't know how to drive that
Not
bike.
yet, not
yeah, not yet. But yeah, so yeah, guys, we'll see you there when we get in the resort / apartment. Yeah, so see you guys.
Hello guys.
Hey guys, we're here. So
Welcome
they're-
to Brandon's
They're
vlog.
both my maid, Joking.
What? We're not. Call us a maid.
So they're helping me like move in the apartment. It's really nice. We'll show you later.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is
We're
this
kind
is
of
the
in a hurry.
entrance.
Yeah, entrance. This is the place, you guys. Looks actually good.
Yeah, for an apartment / resort stuff. No shave November.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I got mustache now.
I'm doing it with you, bro.
Yeah.
I'm doing a different November challenge.
Hey guys, so we're going inside. Come in. Okay, we're on the other side.
I mean, that's
Come in.
voila! Brandon's new crib. Yeah. We actually got stuff here because we were here last night.
What do you mean, my kid? It's both ours.
My bed's up there, guys. That's very sweet.
Dominant sleep up there.
On top of the cabinet.
So yeah, what's the plan now? We have to go back because
We need to bring back the car. We're just using it to bring all this stuff. So yeah, guys.
this is all Brandon's stuff. My stuff's not yet here.
Yeah, we're gonna get maybe tomorrow, no, or
Yeah.
later.
Later, maybe later.
Yeah,
Yeah.
later.
So guys,
Also, Dominic was sleeping here last night.
yeah, we were
With us.
we actually stayed here last night, but we didn't have all the things. So this is like proper moving in, like all the things. And yeah, we're gonna head back now because like they're actually looking for Brandon, isn't it?
Yeah, so we forgot the vlog, and then we went to the gym, and then now we're done. So we're gonna go home.
Yeah,
And
guys.
then-
So basically, we just went to the gym and decided to just work out.
Yeah.
we kind of
David?
We did
the
vlog
first
'cause
time, and I guess these guys were like,
we didn't do
stronger
much
than me,
really.
I think.
We didn't do much really at the gym, and we're gonna buy food.
Yeah.
It's
So,
not. Yeah.
Now
That's
it's
our
like,
dinner.
We just finished gym and Dominic's feeling hungry, so we're probably gonna go to like snacks food.
Yeah.
That
Snacks.
sounds weird to say everyone's hungry.
I'm
Yeah,
kinda
Dominic's hungry.
Yeah, I'm
Hungry,
kind of
yeah.
hungry as well, but like it's mainly Dominic,
Yeah, Dominic, this guy is always hungry.
So
dude.
yeah, we're gonna go
So we're going to the
to
where is it? Toslo Buwa somewhere. So where's that? I don't know
We
where.
don't know where. Yeah, I think it's across BQ or near BQ. Man.
Yeah, so yeah, we're going there. So we'll see you guys there.
See you guys there, bye.
Hi guys, so we're here at what is it called? Toslo Buwa.
Tosla Bua is the place.
Yeah. So we're here at we are going to cook.
Yeah, so this is like they're gonna put a pan here and then we're gonna cook it.
Oh,
So apparently you never been there and Dom never been here and Dom hasn't been here, right? So it's gonna be your first time.
yes, my first time here. But it's not my first time like cooking. Like, I went to a restaurant place in the airport, and you cook it to yourself, like meat. So it's kind of like the same but different food.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, basically we already ordered. We already ordered, guys, and yeah, we're just waiting for the orders, right?
We'll show you guys later when the food arrives.
Yeah.
Let's go. Hey guys, so the food is here. Just got the food. So the guy is teaching us like how to cook and stuff.
So first thing he said was oil, guys.
Tequila.
Tequila.
I don't know how much oil we should put in it. Like, should we put the whole thing? Like, they gave us the whole thing, so the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. We paid for it, so put the whole thing.
This place is actually pretty good because it's just the whole thing is like 130 or something. Then he said when it gets hot, the oil, we put in the garlic and onions, you guys. And yeah.
The lamas.
Lamas.
Is that
And then they have like they call it liver spread, so it's probably liver of the pork or the chicken, I don't know. So, and also this is pig's brain.
Pig's brain.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at that.
Pig's brain.
Thank you. So yeah, see, it's already hot. What's it? Don't be scared, guys. The heat is low, so. What's this one? That's Moyong. I ordered that for.
Hello, Dominic.
I'm gonna have one.
Yeah, we have 2 each, okay?
What is this one?
So Brandon, what do you think about the whole experience, man?
I haven't like even eaten yet. I can't say anything.
Look at this. Zoom in on my
So-
face, bro.
Zoom in on his face now.
Zoom in.
So after this,
Da.
liver paste, they call it. How does it smell?
It's not actually that bad.
It smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah. It smells like
It doesn't smell like liver.
It's gonna taste horrible. Wait, where's the
So, but it's a good. It will be a great experience though. Like it's my first time here.
tried this before.
Oh
Sorry.
I'm going.
So you guys actually eat it with the koan, the puso. You put the rice and then you rub it around it. It's like
That's a
snacks.
pig's brain, Dom.
That's pig's brain, bro.
1,000 if you down this whole.
If you drink that, like you get smarter.
You get pig's brain.
Do you guys want it spicy or something?
Yes, I want it spicy.
So we can have drinks there.
Huh?
We can have drinks.
It's like pig's brain puree.
Smell it.
Smell? Smells nice. Oh, it smells like the skin. The chicken skin.
Yeah, it smells like lechon skin. What? That's a brain? That's actually brain though. Smell it.
It's out of my
Smells like it's skin, bro.
That's still raw, bro. It's like a pig's brain puree. Look.
Why is it liquid though?
They like went up. They
They
like
mashed up and
they mashed
everything.
up it. There, you see that? Bit?
That's the pig's brain.
Let's do some Hanapi revision, guys. Whoop.
I feel like a zombie for eating this. Instead of human brains, it's like pig's brains.
This is how we get this.
I don't know how to use my hands to eat, so I don't know how this is going to go.
So, yeah, mind telling us what is this already? It's already cooked. I think it's already prepared. You followed all the steps, right?
Yep.
So we have like puso.
I don't even know what this is.
I don't know what you call this in English.
This
but
rice?
puso.
Oh yeah, it is rice.
You get 3.
3.
Yeah.
This is rice.
Yeah, it is rice. Give me 2 more, bro. Alright, 3 each. And then I think what we're gonna do is like open it and like we just dip it while it's like that.
Oh really?
No? Okay. How do we eat it? Tingnan na, diretso lang? Ah, and it's sticky na. Ah, okay. So okay na.
Use the spoon, bro.
And just keep aside. Alright. Ready na? So you can eat now. Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Show me. So you just put it like this,
Yeah,
then
eat it.
no.
That's yummy, doesn't it?
Okay.
Yeah. No, your turn.
We just have this every day. What's that mean?
Hey guys, I'm missing out. So where's my gloves? I need to put my gloves on. Let's go, bro.
Did you put this in there as well? What is this?
Just dip it. Oh, that's for ngoyong. We also have ngoyong, by the way, you guys. But Dom ate like all.
I ate my portion. That's spicy.
Time to end the vlog, bro. We're gonna see them after we eat, man.
So we'll see you guys after we eat. Damn boys, damn boys. Damn, this guy just ate all the fun. So guys, we just finished.
Yeah, it's basically we're zombies now.
We're zombies, so we eat
Zombies.
pig brain. So yeah guys, we'll see you in the fun.
We're gonna try to go to the Aaron's house now
Yeah.
and drop off Aaron's bike, and then we're gonna see you in the apartment afterwards. So I think we're gonna vlog a bit there, right? We'll say goodbye to Ate Ed, and
Yeah.
say
Stuff
goodnight
like
for
that. So,
today, and
yep.
then go home and hopefully make dinner. Yeah.
So see you guys. Oh, the lighting's bad. So anyways guys, we're back.
Well, it's
Wait.
really bad lighting here. Yeah.
So anyways guys, we're back and then
We're in the apartment.
yeah boy.
Turn around, bro. Turn around. Turn around.
There's the bed and there's the bathroom. There's a
We're not gonna show you the bathroom because it's
Yeah.
it's a bathroom. Yeah.
It's just a bathroom. But here's my stuff, like all of my stuff here.
Yeah.
We're gonna
You
arrange
have
it
to
later.
arrange that spot like
Yeah, so yeah guys, this is the end of the video. So I hope you like it, subscribe.
Yes, we
hit the
finally
bell
moved in.
notification.
Yeah. Post notification go.
So more videos coming soon. So yeah, hit the bell notification for like videos soon.
Do they
I
know?
still-
Do they know about this?
Yeah, they know. Yeah, I showed it earlier.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I did.
So guys, vlog with Brandon
Yeah.
coming out soon with this.
Yeah boy. So yeah guys, bye.
Bye.